is so some of the Sahaba used to bring water to the people who are staying here. Yawm Tarwiyah, which is the 8th of the Hijjah, and if you were mutamatti, you would have done your Umrah, which is after the Ihram, you do your Tawaf, you do your Sa'i, and then you cut your hair. You've completed your Umrah, you come out of your Ihram state completely, and you enjoy a period of non-Ihram state, and that's why it's called Tamattu. But because the Umrah, it's a right on its own, which you should have dedicated the time and the money for it to come, but you've done it in one journey. With it, you're going to do Hajj. So for that, you sacrifice a Hajj. So it actually gives you 3 rewards. It wipes a bad deed from your record. It gives you a good deed, hasana in the record, and then it elevates your status by 1 step in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. تمحو خطيئة وله فيها حسنة ويرفع بها عنها خطيئة ويكتب له درجة فيما معنى الحج. So everything that we do, we have to have that kind of consciously. We're thinking this is for the sake of Allah. This is, I'm doing this so Allah can wipe off my bad deeds. So I can go back from والحج المبرور ليس له جزاء إلا الجنة. يعني إلى الحديث من حج ولم يفسق ولم يرفث رجع كيوم ولدته أمه. He who go to Hajj and he does it in the right way, for that which the right